is an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. We have had busy reports of people becoming younger by the minute. We are unsure about why this is happening, but it seems that people of all ages are affected. People with elderly age have been seen reverse aging to adults and in various cases, eventually into children. As we find a root cause for this, we will keep you updated through this broadcast. In the meantime, please stay tuned and stay in your homes. Do not go outside until we give an all clear. If you appear to be aging backwards, call 911 immediately and do not do anything until help arrives. Just a few moments ago, multiple people have simply stopped existing. It appears that this is being caused by reversed aging. Authorities are still trying to understand what is going on. In the meantime, try to remain calm. It has been proven that animals are being affected as well as humans. We highly suggest you do not let your pets outside at the moment. Make sure you have enough supplies where you live, as it still is not clear when this will stop. We mourn for those who have been lost by this, and they will not be forgotten. We must stay vigilant and not give up. We will prevail and beat this. Together, we will win this with God on our side. As a species, we have overcome nuclear wars, suffering, not to mention poverty. There is no reason why we will not overcome this. We have figured out why people have been aging backwards. It seems that time has been slowly reversing. Time has now been constantly going back decades a couple of minutes ago, but don't panic. Everybody here is trying to find a solution to this. We are still not sure why this is happening, but if time keeps on going backwards, the emergency alert system may cease to function. Continually going backwards right now. It has been noted that buildings are now also vanishing due to time going back to the year before they were built. Please stay away from any buildings for the sake of your own safety. We completely urge everybody to do this. It has been confirmed that there is no way to stop this. Time will keep on reversing until everything disappears completely. In the next hour or so, every single organism on this planet will evaporate. Do not spend your final moments panicking, as this will not affect anything. You are advised to say your final goodbyes to your friends and loved ones. This is truly the end. We hope all you remaining people on this planet have a peaceful and dignified death. If you are religious, pray to your higher being and ask for forgiveness. All channels will go off the air and be forever discontinued. The President thanks you for being a part of the American dream. Goodbye.